Shout out OG NBA Finals LeBron. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike LeBron Zoom Soldier Art of a Champion 25 straight. Now this shoe is part of the Art of a Champion pack, and we've reviewed a bunch of the shoes so far. This particular pair pays homage to LeBron James' first NBA Finals trip. Before he got there, he had to go up against the Detroit Pistons in the Eastern Conference Finals. And in Game 5, he exploded for 25 straight points in order for them to get the win and eventually close the series out. As was the case with the Kobe Protro and the Nike Air Maestro, this is not a shoe that LeBron won a championship in. LeBron went up against the Spurs in the 2007 Finals and just got swept because, of course, he didn't have a great supporting cast. LeBron had a supporting cast that year with Boobie Gibson, Big Z, and Anderson Varejao. I think David Wesley was on that team too. Like, outside of those Heat years, LeBron really never had a great supporting cast. This is, if I'm not mistaken, the first time the LeBron Zoom Soldier, the OG Zoom Soldier, has retroed. I may be wrong on that, but if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time that it's retroed since its original run in 06-07. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is an all black box with the Champions Think 16 hash marks on the top and the Nike swoosh on the other side of the box, as well as, of course, the size tag and all of that, and the little NBA sticker. I don't think I've ever talked about this, but all of the Think 16 shoes have the NBA sticker on that, and that's just because of their collaboration with Nike and the actual NBA, because the finals. And the colorway is midnight navy and white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a white upper with white overlays and was the original strap shoe for the LeBron line. It has the forefoot strap and the heel strap, which I never understood what the purpose of this heel strap was for. I guess to tighten up the area around your heel, but I never really used it and I never really saw the purpose in it. Taking a look at the toe, you have a white tumble leather toe cap and you have plastic detailing right above that with a gold branding for the 2-3. Moving towards the tongue, you have the strap, which is midnight navy, metallic gold and white. You have the midnight navy tongue and its mesh, along with the flat midnight navy laces. Also, you have the King James Lion logo right on the tongue. The inside of the tongue has the Think 16 graphic on it, which is the 16 patch with the hash mark going through it. The right shoe has the Think 16 graphic on the insole, and the left shoe has the word association in that NBA Finals print. Moving towards the heel, you got the Larry O'Brien hang tag, as well as the ankle strap. And you've got midnight navy overlays, which has the LRJ graphic, which stands for LeBron Raymond James, which is LeBron's initials. Moving towards the heel, you've got the strap that extends from the lateral to the medial, which is what the ankle strap velcros to. Also, you've got white tumble leather, which has little perforations on it, and a midnight navy back tab. The medial features the white tumble leather detailing, as well as the LeBron James logo right here. This is the classic LeBron James logo, and you've got the midnight navy detailing as well. Lastly, you've got the midnight navy and white midsole, as well as the midnight navy and white outsole. Also, it has the Nike swoosh and the words "Family Fearless" embossed right on the outsole. Overall, I've always been a fan of the LeBron Zoom Soldier line. The OG Zoom Soldier I actually had when it originally released in the FIBA colorway, the Olympic colorway. That was basically my outside pair. I ran around in there, I had fun in all of it, and all that good stuff. And I beat that shoe to death, but it's dope that they're actually retroing the shoe. And with LeBron's line officially in retro mode, I hope to see more retros as well. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The LeBron Zoom Soldier Art of a Champion 25 Straight hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 31st for a retail price of $150. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.